DJI RS2 sets a new standard of camera gimbal technology with the Titan stabilization algorithm. When enabled, Super Smooth stabilizes footage in more challenging scenarios, even when using 100mm zoom lenses. This video will explain how to use Super Smooth with DJI RS2. Before you start, please install the DJI R-Lens fastening strap on the lower quick release plate to secure the lens, and ensure the gimbal is properly balanced. Go to the home screen of the touchscreen and tap the Auto-Tune icon. Enable Super Smooth on the screen. Tap to start Auto-Tune. When Auto-Tune is complete, you can use Super Smooth with DJI RS2 for optimal stabilization. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.